Welcome, family. This is the Velvet Locks, and I'm just kicking these out to you like crazy, okay? Let me tell y'all something. I come to you all the time with detox teas, remedies, the whole nine, because these are really good ways to incorporate in your diet, your weight loss, your lifestyle, okay? To maintain the weight loss, to lose weight, the whole nine. So when I bring to you these recipes, use them, okay? They work. I am living testimony, and all of you who've been rocking with me for a while can see the difference, okay? Can see the difference. Now, I'm going to give you some body shots of how my body has really slimmed down, okay? Where my belly is flat, okay? I've been rocking my crop tops this summer. I've been rocking my shorts, okay? And my legs, everything. I'm telling you, you're going to see yourself shrink. Drink these detox teas. Don't sleep on them. They're easy. Now today, I got the most simplest recipe for you to do. Now this is an extreme lemon fat burner, okay? But in order to get this to be the most potent type of tea, stay tuned and see how I prepare it this time. So let's get into preparing this great, easy, potent, effective, fat burning, weight loss drink. And you just do it in seconds every morning, and you will see exactly how much you're going to shrink. So stay tuned for this video.
Okay, we're going to start this off with a cup of water, which is 8 ounces. And then we're going to take a teaspoon of baking soda, and we're going to add that to our water. Now you're going to add 1 teaspoon of your real lemon into your water as well. Now you can use this as an alternative if you don't have fresh lemons or limes. So this is what I use, and it works just right. You're going to also add that into your cup as well, and we're going to stir. When you use lemon and baking soda together, this helps to fight cancerous cells or other diseases in the body. So together they will help increase the body's ability to clean itself up of what may be causing diseases in the first place. Okay, so this is not only going to help you with weight loss, but through the losing of the toxins, you're going to be getting your body restarted, regenerated for good health.
And that's it, you guys. You drink this every morning on an empty stomach, and you are going to be surprised to see just how fast you start shrinking, okay? I would suggest doing this once a day. To do it right before breakfast, okay? But that's it. Drink this once a day, and you're going to see results. So I will see you in the next video. Bye. Hey, fam. Where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen. First of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.